series of Criterium races promoted by Aberteifi, the local cycling club covering the south part of the Teifi Valley, mainly Newcastle, Emlyn and Cardigan. We decided to run these races as part of Cardigan's 900-year anniversary celebrations. And fortunately we've been able to incorporate in the races today 3 youth races, one for local schools and 2 other youth races for youth riders coming from all of Wales, and we've had some fantastic races in all of them.
Excellent race, quite tiring, but you know, I held on in there. I had some person very close behind me, pressurising me all the way, but apart from that, very good race.
It's Maxwell. I ride for Whittaker, Big Maggie's, Pendas Cycling Club, sponsors. And I was fit today. It was a very hard race, fantastic circuit. It's nice to have an event this part of Wales. I mean, West Wales doesn't see much top-end cycling, so it's really good to have something around here. And top race, top circuit, and consultant.
And in first place we had Rhys Lloyd.
I'd like to thank Aberteifi for a great event in Cardigan town. All the gorgeous women handing out numbers and serving tea and coffee. Thanks very much. All the marshals today. Hopefully, you know, we can have another event here next year because it was really good. I think we just give them all a round of applause.